Hello YouTube. I want to do a short video, just the very basics of how to use YouTube Movie Maker, because I watched a few videos on that topic today, and I'll tell you what, very bad in my opinion, okay? But again, my opinion is like, what's the saying? Like a-holes, whatever. We won't get into that. Anyway, quick tutorial. So, open up YouTube Movie Maker. I'm not going to tell you how to download it, how to get it, how to install it. That's all irrelevant. It ain't what this video is about. It's about how to use it. Short, quick video. So we have it up. We're going to hit Make Videos. And it's going to load up. So then, as you have your videos on your desktop, you're going to drag them into here and drop them. Okay. And as you had more, you would actually drag more and drop them into this same dialog box. Now, to turn them into a video, you would drag out of the dialog box and drop it into the column here called Video. You drop it in there. And then you can go over here and hit Preview to watch it. It's going to ask you from current position or from the beginning. I'm going to select from beginning. So there's the video. Exit that. And I could do this multiple times. You could keep dragging and dropping it in. Just to show you, if you had multiple videos here, you would drag them in order, whatever. Oops, that one I didn't drop. So now I have 1, 2, 3, I have 5 of them in there. So again, go to Preview, from beginning. Now imagine these are all different videos. For the sake of my video, yeah, you would have all these different videos that are all joined together and running in succession. So then we close this window, and then you go to the magic button over here. Hit Export. And it's going to ask you for a file name. It always comes up with the default of entitled dot. I don't know if that's MP3. I don't have my glasses on right now, but yeah. And you just hit save. And now it's going to convert all those videos into one file. I said this is just quick and dirty. How to use Movie Maker, the very basic. So then it tells you congratulations. When you see that, you can close the program. So you go up to the top right here, you hit the X. It's going to ask you, save changes to current project. I say no. Current module function is working, or should you want to exit? I say yes. So now it created a video. It's up here in the corner. I'll drag it over here. We'll play it. And it's all the same, so I don't see the point of playing this over and over again. But again, it just gives you the basic general idea. I'm going to throw these into the trash can. Oh, I can't throw that one in the trash can. That was something other I did tonight too. I didn't post it yet. Yeah, I didn't post this one yet. I saw some strange things in the sky tonight, which were very interesting, but I cannot really call them UFOs. I think I know what they were. But anyway, they were intriguing. So, yeah, this is something I have to post yet. But anyway, that's the basics of using YouTube Movie Maker to make a quick and dirty video. How to do. I mean, I only showed you the drag and drop thing. There's so much more to it. It's so complicated. I can probably do videos about this for well over a week to try to explain to you all the different functions, all the different tricks you can do with and everything else. But as I said, I just wanted to show you the very quick and dirty way, because as I said earlier, when I watched a few YouTube videos about this topic, I was very disappointed in all the BS that was involved, rather than showing you something quick that is useful for your own knowledge. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you all again later. Bye-bye.